Coding Story Learners. In this video, I tell about how to find the maximum and minimum between three numbers. In previous video, I tell about how to install the C++ and maximum and minimum between two numbers. So in this, I tell about how to find three numbers. So let's find the algorithm for this. I'm taking new tab algorithm and let's taking the values as I'm taking as A, B and C. So the values I'm taking, and what we have to do, initialize it first. Initialize means taking the values from 0 or 1. So which numbers you can able to take inside a program or outside the program, like while running time you can able to give numbers like that, we can able to give. So I'm taking outside of the output. So let's see how to initialize it and tell about in programming. So let's take initializing after initializing the what it is A, B and C. Next what we have to do, compare. Comparison is taken for three numbers. It is different from two numbers. Compare if A is greater than B, then double ampersand. It is the main reason while considering the three numbers at a time to compare. So next A is greater than C. So see here, if A is greater than B, if this statement is true, then it checks the another statement. Whether it is both are true, then prints the if value statement. Print A. Whether if statement is false, then goes to this statement, else if statement. So let's see what's the if else statement is present. If B is greater than C, double ampersand. If B is greater than A. These are the statements which is used. So print B. See, same statement but somewhat the modifications have been done here. See, if one statement is true, then goes to next statement, while if the one statement is true, this statement is false, then automatically both statements are false. Then it goes to directly to the else statement. What is the else statement is considered it directly taken as a B is C is greater than B and double ampersand C is greater than A. It is not able to consider like this. So it is automatically taken by it. Let's print as a C. These are the statements which are used to in the programming. Let's see how to do new source file programming to find maximum and minimum between three numbers. Let's see. Hash include stdio.h in main. Let's start the program right now. Int a comma b comma and b comma c. These are the numbers which I have taken. So let's initialize it. Means printf, enter, enter the values of, taken two times space, enter the values of a comma b comma c. Let's take the we have taken values. Now let's print it. Means scanf. There are three numbers, so we have to consider percentage d for 3 times. So this is the main reason which we have to consider like this. If there are two numbers, we have to consider 2 times. If one letter is present to initialize it, only 1% d. Three numbers means we have to consider 3% d's. So double ampersand a, comma, ampersand b, comma, ampersand c. This is the printed values. So now what we have to do? We have to compare it. So what's the statement? If statement, if a is greater than b, see, double ampersand, if a is greater than c. If one statement is true, another statement is false, then its total statement is false. So if both statements are only true, it prints the value. What value it prints? Printf, what we have taken like that. Percentage d is maximum and b comma c are automatically minimum values. Semicolon is the main. Next, after else if statement. In this statement, what we have to consider? If b is greater than c, double ampersand, b is greater than a. Statements have to consider next statement. If both statements are only false, then go to else if statement. If one statement is true and another statement is also true, then it is directly automatically prints this value. If both statements are false, then it goes to else statement. Let's see else if statement how to print. Percentage d is maximum. Here b comma c are minimum. Here a comma c are minimum or minimum. So keep the semicolon like this. So next, what's the last statement? It is else statement. Else statement is directly taken it is directly taken like that. Has a is no, c is greater than a and double ampersand c is greater than b. It is automatically taken for else. No need to consider for it. So printf percentage d is maximum and a comma b or minimum. So this is programming. Let's run it. Return value is able to return value is considering is it is not able to consider compulsory, but compulsory is not needed. This is the main reason. Most of the thinking like that, return value is main compulsory value to consider it. It is not the main. Some of the programs are needed, but this program is not needed the return value. Let's see. I'm saving the program as 2 dot c and I'm considering like this. Let's see. I'm compiling and running. So here what it has in scan. Yeah, this is here. I'm forgotten to keep the semicolon. So where the errors is yeah, where the errors is have, it's showing like this. So you have to able to detect the errors by seeing this. I'm save the file and compile and run. So there is no errors. So directly it prints like this. I'm taking the tab. I'm taking the values as like this. I'm taking here 38 So let's print it. So 78 is maximum and A comma C are minimum. So see, this is the program which is maximum and minimum between three numbers. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. Thank you.